Hello everyone, dear friends. Hope you are fine, good, healthy, wealthy, and well. Today we are going to review another old coin of the Germany. It's very small and tiny. Here you can see in front of your screen. Let me zoom. Here you can see it's very small and tiny. You can see in front of your screen. Let me zoom a little bit more. A very cool and different stylish old coin, decent looks, you can see. So the country is Germany and the year is 2003. 2003 euro, 2 euro cents. Currency is euro, Germany. So let's go and have a look at center. The observe of the coin features an oak twig here with two acorns. Here under you can see the two acorns around below right in the inner circle next to the stem of the oak twig. The date of issue 2003 here. Below left a smaller letter represent the mint mark of fishing mint. Here you can see a small, let me zoom more. Here mint mark. Around the outer rim the 12 stars of the European Union symbolizing the original 12 member states. If we talk about the oak trees, and here is the oak twig are from hard wood trees, deciduous or evergreen with spirally arranged leaf, often with lobate margins. Some have serrated leaves or entire leaves with smooth margins. So these also used in some kind of medicines, homeomedicines. So this is some info of oak sprig twig. So there is stars in rim giving very different and beautiful looks. This is the front side we have seen of the coin and we talk about. So let's go and have a look on other side of the 2 euro cents. So here you can see 2 euro cent. Again brown and gold, very beautiful color, something looking like a globe inside the coin is very different and beautiful. The reverse of the coin shows the globe below right, showing Europe in relation to Africa and Asia. This globe is basically here engraved because of the relation of Africa and Asia. The designs of the 1 to 5 cent coin is intended to show the European Union's EU place in the world as opposed to the 1 and 2 euro coins showing the 15 states as one and the 10 to 50 cent coins showing separate EU state. So this is different states on every 10 to 50 cents coins. So different 1 to 5 is different. Behind the globe 6 diagonal lines. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 lines connected the stars, 12 stars of Europe, 6 around below left and 6 around above right. Here you can see below and above 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and 6 12 total. It's very cool. The designer monogram LL for Lux is on the right above here you can see LL. Let me zoom more here. Very tiny LL Lux. Above left here the numerical value 2 on the two lines above the denomination euro cent. Euro cent in two lines and the two numerical value in big. It's very cool, easy to know and very simple and beautiful coin. So front and back both are done. Now we will go in the center and the middle side if it's rigid or plain or what we gonna see on this tiny small coin. It's just simple and a little bit faded because of too much used. No, it's very cool. It's looking like the coin is one coin is fixed and in another coin, so it's looking something looking like a biscuit. You can see here is space, something like a biscuit. It's a little coin but from center is very cool and different. I really like it. If you guys also like this from center and different and historical, so there is no designs to see nowadays. We can't see this kind of designs. So I hope you guys like this different history coin. So the both front and back both sides are done. If you guys have same coin in your collection, then don't forget to tell me in the comment box. For now we have to go. Take care and bye. We will get you with next video and with another coin.